can forward. Yeah. So you feel that you're not keeping well, so you might find little bit problem. So one by one, I'll do these questions. Sorry, I will not do. You guys have to do these questions on set. So I am being asked to discuss these questions, which have came in previous year exams for all of you. So I believe you know about the basic concepts of set theory, and more or less you have done these questions also. I hope so while your preparation. So can we start doing this? So yeah. So the question number one is like this, that let U is the universal set and A and B are the subset of U. Okay. And if the number of elements of the universal set is 650, number of elements of A is 310, number of elements of A intersection B. I hope you all know what do you mean by A intersection B. So probably, so when we talk about two sets, so imagine if this is set A and this is set B. So what is A intersection B? So A intersection B is the area which is common between both of them. So that is A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. So they have given you the value of A. A is 310. They have given you the value of A is 310. Okay. And then they have given you the value of B. The value of B is 190. They have given you the value of B is 190. Okay, and also they have given you the value of elements which are in common between A and B. So that is 95. Okay, fine. And also they have given you the total element. Total element that is universal, that is 650. Total element is 650. Better if I write it outside. This is the 650. And then then what they're asking you, then they're asking you the number of elements which are not the part of A and B. I hope you know De Morgan's law. So n of complement of A, intersection of complement of B is nothing but A n of intersection of complement of A and A intersection B. So they're asking you this. This is nothing but this is 1 minus n of A union B. Okay, so you can use the basic calculation of De Morgan's law and tell me the answer. Okay, so I'll show you the question. This is the question. You all know these things, right? You don't need any formula and all. You don't need the formula. You can solve this question by using the formula of A union B, or you should remember what the De Morgan's law, and then mathematically you have to calculate all those things, which looks very nice mathematically. But if you know these diagrams, you can do this question. Like the total A is 310 and this part is 95. So this part would be 310 minus 95. Now 310 minus 100 would be 210. 210 plus 5 would be 210. If I'm not wrong, this is 215. This is 215. Then this would be 190 minus 95. 190 minus 100 would be 90. Okay. And then plus 5 would be 95. So this is 215, this is 95, this is 95. So what you can do, you can find the value of A union B. What is A union B? A union B is what, guys? A union B is 215 plus 95 plus 95. Okay. So what is A union B? A union B would be 310 plus 95. 300 plus 100. 310 plus 100 is 410. Minus 5 would be 405. So this is A union B is 405. Okay. So if A union B is 405, okay, they are asking you this element. What they are asking you, they are asking you about this part. And the part which is not in between A and B. Are you getting this? They're asking you these parts. The part which is not. So total is 650, na? Total is 650. Total is 650. Total is 650 and A union B is 405. So 650 minus 405 if you do, how much you will get? And you will get 245. So the answer is 245. Any doubt? And you don't need any formula if you refer uh, numericals, if you refer your textbooks and all, they have given you some complicated jargons, De Morgan's law and other things. We can even do the question by using those jargons, but this does not make any sense. You can solve the question by simply drawing the diagram. So if you are not very good in maths and all, so you don't have to be mathematics because you are going to become a chartered accountant. So no need to stress too much on maths. Just draw diagram and the work will be done. And I hope you understand universal. Universal set means like everything would be included into this, and that would be your universal. So anyone having doubt with this question number one? All done, all understood, or should I do this question again? Guys, it would be great if you people respond because we people don't know each other. Okay, and that too you're listening to me through some online mode. So neither you will get confidence on me, neither I'll get confidence on you people. And also we don't have time to know each other. So it would be better if we just focus on questions and let me know if you want me to do this question again. Otherwise, if you have understood, then it would be great for me. Okay, thank you, Ramya. Arun have understood. What about others? Anna, Ani has understood. Arun has understood. Ramya has understood. Daya has understood. Zaiba has understood. Okay, fine now, guys. So, what about others? What about others? Aishi, sorry if I am not able to pronounce your name properly. Pardon me for that part. Aishri, uh, Harshita, Nandkishore, Kavana, Praful, Prideshni, Ramya. What about others? Once has understood. Okay, thank you. Once you have understood, Kavana has understood, Aishri has understood. Okay, so I'm assuming that everyone has understood. So, yeah, okay, fine, guys. So I'll go to next question. Next question is very easy. Simply I just gave this question. Uh, so I hope you know what is natural number and all. And you know what is the formula of sum of n natural number, by the way? What is the formula of sum of, because for APGP chapter you know na, you should know this formula, sum of n natural number, sum of square of n natural number, sum of cube of n natural number. What are natural numbers, you know, right? Okay, numbers start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. And they are natural numbers. So in natural number is an infinite set, you know, right? Natural number is an infinite set. So if you do the cube of the natural number, so that would be also infinite set. Simply this question came. So I hope everyone understands. By the way, what is the formula of sum of natural numbers? Sum of n natural number n into n plus 1 by 2. You know this, right? What is the formula of sum of square of a natural number? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. You know this, right, everyone? What is the formula of sum of cube of a natural number? That is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. And you should know this formula, especially when you are solving the questions of APGP, then these formulas come into picture. So I hope you guys are confident about APGP chapter. Fine. So question number 2 answer is infinite set. I don't have to explain you this part. What is null set? Null set means a set having no element. So if there's an element a zero also, then it is a singleton set. Singleton set means you have one element into that. Finite set means the definite number of elements if they are there within the set, you know this you will represent elements in the set through set builder form or by algebraic form. And so whenever we talk about set, so you know that what do you mean by set? Number of defined elements are there, which are well organized. Those that is basically called as set. Now question number 3, the number of integer from 1 to 100, which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 5 nor by 7. Question number 3 is very common. This question number 3, like kind of questions come for exams like CAT or CLAT. If you write exams on law also, I don't know how many how many of you are interested for law. Then you have to write CLAT. So CLAT or ILET, any kind of exams. There also this question number 3 is very common. It comes in many exams like that. So wherever the basic property of numbers question comes, even if you guys after graduation prepare for UPSC, so everywhere you'll get these question number 3 kind of question, very common. First of all, this question came once in CAT. After that, this question become very common. Anyone, can you give me a rough picture how should you do this question number 3 question? What should be the roadmap in your mind? Anyone? Guys, if you want time, you can take time for doing this question number 3. Acha, tell me, uh, what is the first number which is divisible by 3 and 5? What is the first number that will be divisible by 3? I hope you understand LCM, HCF and all. Okay. LCM, HCF concept, okay, fine. I'll do this question. So others can continue doing this question. I hope you have written down. Those people who want to try by themselves, they can try, and I'll do for the remaining people. Okay. So, so question number 2 to everyone understood. Question number 3. So what is the number? See. So if I draw here, P-Venn diagram like this. Okay, if I draw here, one minute, I'll just hold on. So if I draw a 3-Venn diagram like this, okay, and this is the number divisible by 2, number div 2 none, 3, 5 or 7 is there, number divisible by 3. Okay, suppose this is A. Okay, and then what is B? Number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5. Sorry, my spelling mistake would be there. Divisible by 5. Suppose this is B. And what is C? C is the number divisible by 7. Number divisible by 7. I hope you guys can understand my handwriting. Okay. So, guys, Sarath, I think some background noise is coming from your end. Yeah. So, guys, tell me from 1 to 100, from 1 to 100, how many numbers from 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by 3? Acha, tell me this part. From 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by 3? Anyone? How many numbers are there divisible by 3? From 1 to 100? So you have to write actually the table of 33. Kavna has tell 33. So Kavna, how you got 33? So Kavna will give the answer, sir. Very simple. 100 divided by 33. What Kavna has done to find the numbers. So what she has actually done, she has just divided 100 by 3. Okay, so actually what you have to do, you have to write the table of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Like this, if you go write this till 100, what is the last number you will get? 99. Okay, and 99 is what? 3 into 33. Are you getting me? 99. Okay, what is the other way of doing? Simple, guys. 100 divide by 3. If you do 100 divide by 3, you will get 99. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? So the total number from 1 to 100, which is divisible by 3, is 33. Everyone understood, na? Zaiba, you understood? है ना? Ramya, have you understood? Artha, Aita, you understood? Arun, Chandana, है ना? Harshita, Mario, Nand Kishore, Priyadarshini, Subhash, Hani, you have understood, no? Everyone? Okay, guys. So I'll go ahead. So from 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by 3? The answer is 33. So here I'm writing 33. ठीक है. So ये जो है ना, this set what you're seeing, guys, this is 33. This is 33. Okay. Then same way can I do for 5? Okay. So I'm now writing fast. Number divisible by 5 would be how many? Zaiba, how many numbers would be divisible by 5? Do like the same way how I have done for 3. Okay, how many numbers would be divisible by 5? For that, 100 divide by 5. And so you'll get the answer 20. And acha guys, can I have your 15 seconds? Only 15 seconds. I know you guys might be doing this problem. You might be busy solving this question. But can I get you just 10 seconds? Just listen to me very carefully. Okay, everyone, just listen to me very carefully. When I read this question, first time when I read this question, and when I was actually solving this question, the moment I read, I thought in my mind, how many numbers are there divisible? How many numbers are there from 1 to 100 divisible by 5? So automatically in my mind, I got the answer 20. But at that moment, I just hold my breath. Why I just took a pause? Because sometime for this question, they might ask the number of integers between 1 to 100. Can you understand the English part here? Not from 1 to 100. They might ask between 1 to 100. So if you ask no, if the question would be between 1 to 100, then the total numbers divisible by 5 between 1 to 100 would be 19, 19, not 20. Why? Because in that question, they might asking between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100 means it will start from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that till 99. So because I've seen that kind of question in my past, so that moment I just took a pause. I again read the question. Okay, then I was very sure. Yeah, no, they're asking from 1 to 100 means they are included 100 here. Then I thought, okay, fine. So the total number divisible by 5 is 20. Is this part have you understood? So the total number divisible by 5, total number from 1 to 100 divisible by 5 is 20. Okay, same way if I do for 7, so what would be answer? 14 sevens is 98. So the total number divisible by 7 from 1 to 100, that would be 14 numbers. This part clear na? Between part have you understood? Because many exams na, they will try to confuse you like this. And then you'll think that, okay, fine, what wrong I have done? Why that question? Why I'm not getting the answer by option? Something might comes in your mind. And so please be careful about that part. I hope everyone understood this. So the total number divisible by 7 is 14. Okay. So I hope you understood this part. This much part everyone understood. Okay, this is what? This is 14. Okay, this is 14. Okay, number divisible by 7 is 14. Okay, fine. Now, guys, acha, tell me one thing. If you see this part, acha, if you see this part, okay, this part represent what? This part, just now I have shaded one part. Okay, some portion I have shaded. So, Arun, can you tell me this? Like the portion what I've shaded is exactly what I'm asking you. I don't want the answer. I just want that part represent what? That part represent what? Intersection. Yes, Arun. Intersection of what? Intersection of what? Intersection of 3 and 7. And Arun, intersection of 3 and 7, because this is 3. This part is 3. This part is 3. And this part is 7. So the part which I have just now colored, that shows the intersection of 3 and 7. Acha. Till here everyone has understood? Till here everyone has understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. Now, guys, remember one thing. They are something called co-prime number. You know what are prime numbers? And what are prime numbers? I hope you all know. Prime numbers are those numbers which are either divisible by themselves, है ना? So they have only they have two factors. Either they're divisible by one, or either they're divisible by themselves 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are prime numbers. Okay, so if you see 3 and 7, 3 and 7 are prime number. Means they don't have any common factor between them. And if you notice 3 and 7, they are prime number. They don't have any common factor between them. So actually we'll call 3 and 7, we call these number like co-prime numbers. In mathematics, we'll call these number as a co-prime number. And remember that the LCM of co-prime number is basically the product of number. You know, product of number. If you're not able to understand what I have just now mentioned in last 15 seconds, that's okay, no problem. And Pradeshni, yeah, thank you, Pradeshni. So what exactly I want that if you want to know how many numbers which are divisible by 3 and 7, if you want to know how many numbers which are divisible by 3 and 7, so the answer would be 21. So the minimum number which is divisible by 3 and 7, that would be 21. Is this part clear? So the total numbers which are divisible by 3 and 7 both. So for that, the minimum number, the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So what you have to do, guys, you have to divide 100 by 21. So if I do 100 by 21, what I'll get? And what I will get? I'll get four numbers. Only four numbers are there. What are four numbers? 21, 42, then 63, then 84. Only four numbers are there, which are divisible by both 3 and 7. Okay, so the area which I have marked here, the area what I have marked here, the yellow color, that basically I'm looking for those numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 7. So if you are not able to understand this, what I have written, so I can show you in Excel also, but that would be you if you have not understood. Okay, so I can write the table of 3, I can write the table of 7, and then I can show you those numbers, which are, I hope mathematically you guys are able to understand. If I write 3, 6, 3, 6, 9. Okay, okay. Then 3 and 7, if I'm 7, fine, you're getting it. So if I'm, so you can see the guys, 7 is 7 comes in 3 table, no. 14 comes in 3 table, 14 comes, no. 21 comes in 3 table, yes, na. 21 comes in a 3 table. I hope you are able to understand. And is 24 comes in, 28 comes in 3 table? No. I hope you know these things, what I'm talking about. And a 35, will it come in 3 table? No. Then which number will come? 42 comes in 3 table, yes. And 42 comes in 3 table, 49 come, no. 56 come, no. 63 will come. 63 will come in the 3 table, yes. I hope you guys are getting. Then 84 will come. And the total numbers which are common between 3 and 7, what you can do? The total number, you just find the LCM of 3 and 7. Since the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21, so how many numbers would be divisible by 3 and 7 together? That would be 4 numbers. Is this part clear? Like the same way I can do for 3 and 5, how many numbers would be divisible by 3 and 5? So find the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. Okay, then divide 100 by 15. If you do 100 by 15, you'll get 6. So the total number which are divisible by 3 and 5, the answer would be 6. Like this way, you can find the total number which are divisible by 5 and 7. So the total number which are divisible by 5 by 7, the LCM, find the LCM. LCM would be 35. Okay, 35 table, 35 ones are 35. 35 twos are 70, 35 threes are 105. Okay, so total number divisible by 35, it would be two numbers. Is this part clear, everyone? Everyone, please respond. Arun has understood, Praful has understood, Zeva has understood, Aishri Kavna has understood, and Vani, Sarad, Manjuna, Daya has understood, Subhas has understood, Harshita has understood, fine, Chandana has understood, okay, Nand Kishore has understood, okay, what about others? Everyone, no? I think 19 people are listening to me. 19 is again a prime number. So, yeah, thank you, Karthik. So, yeah, so Maria has also understood. So, I hope this much everyone has understood. Let me make a better diagram. Okay. Okay. So, if I write here number divisible by 3, okay, number divisible by 5, number divisible by 7. So, so number divisible by 3 would be 33 numbers from 1 to 100, 5 would be 20, 7 would be 14, and then the common element between 3 and 5. Common element between 3 and 5, that would be 6 elements, and the common element between 5 and 7, that would be only two elements, 35 and 70, and the common element between 3 and 7, that would be four element, 21 का 21 के टेबल में इन 21 टेबल फोर एलिमेंट 21 42 63 84. And I hope this much is understood. Now the last part, guys, the last and the most important part, this part. Okay, now what is this part? This part represent what? This part represent what? This part represent what? This part represent the number of
Can be
elements
intersection.
which are divisible by 3 and 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7 means find the LCM. LCM of 3, 5 and 7. All are co-prime number. So the LCM would be 3 5s are into 7. 3 5s is 15. 15 sevens is how much? 105, if I'm not wrong. 30. So how many numbers, how many elements are common between 3, 5 and 7? Zero elements. And so this would be 0. So this would be 0. This would be 6. This would be 4. This would be 2. Acha. Then, okay, guys, this is 33, na? This is 33. This is 6 plus 4, 10. 33 minus 10 would be 23. This would be 8. This is 20. 20 minus 8 would be 20 minus 8 is how much? 12, na? Then this is what? This is 14. This is 4 plus 2, 6. 6. 14 minus 6 is how much? 14 minus 6 is how much? 8, na? Yeah. So if you do the total sum, and we'll got the number of element which is common. So what is A union B union C if you want? What is A? You can use mathematics. If you like maths and all, you can do like that. Okay, it's all up to you. You want to do mathematically or you want to do without mathematically. Yeah. So this was total 14, right? This is 14. This is 14. So 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. This is total 33. 23 plus 10, 33. This is total 20. 20 means 20 plus 20, sorry, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Yeah. So how many numbers are there, guys? Total number is 23 plus 6 plus 4. 23 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8. है ना? These many numbers are there. So if I do this, this is 10. 10 plus 23, 33. 33 plus 2, 35. 35 plus 8, 43. 43 plus 12, 55. So how many elements are there altogether? How many elements are there, guys? Altogether 55 elements are there. So the from 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by either 3 or 5 or 7? The answer would be 55. If I'm asking you, how many numbers are not divisible by 3 or 5 or 7? And from 1 to 100, from 1 to 100, how many numbers, how many numbers are either divisible by P or 5 or 7, the answer is how much? 55. Okay. Then how many numbers? How many numbers? Question is how many numbers are not divisible? How many numbers are not divisible by P? Neither by 5, neither by 3, nor by 5, nor by 7. That would be total was 100. 100 minus 55. The answer would be 45. Can you understood this? है ना? Means if you want, you can use a formula of n of A union B union C. The formula is n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. You can do by this formula. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. You can do by this formula. And you can do with this formula 33 plus 20 plus 14 and then minus 6 minus 6 then minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 plus 0. If you solve this, you'll get 55. Clear, guys? Understood? Anyone? Any part you are not understood, please ask me. Karthik has understood. Ramya, Mario, Hemant, Aishri has understood. Daya, Manjunath has understood. Subhas has understood. Okay. Chandana has understood. Harshita has understood. What about Zeva? What about Ramya? Once has understood. Hemant, Harshita, Arun, no problem. Can I go to next question? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I hope your preparation is going very well. So, question number 3 you have done. Question number 4. I hope you know this formula, no? Total number of subsets. And I hope you know the formula. No? Total number of if a set contain n elements, so how many subsets are possible? 2 to the power n. I hope you guys know this formula. 100% you will get a question from this formula. Number of subsets, subsets from a set containing n element. If a set contain n elements, how many subsets are possible? How many subsets are possible? Answer is 2 to the power n. Answer is 2 to the power n. If I ask you number of proper subset, if I ask you number of proper subset, है ना? So the answer would be 2 to the power n minus 1. Please remember this formula. Proper subset क्या होता है? What do you, if you know what is proper subsets and all, no? Why 2 to power n minus 1? Do you know this formula? Why this? Why 2 to the power n? If you want to understand, then you have to understand binomial theorem. And a binomial theorem, you have to apply binomial theorem to understand this. And you know PNC, now PNC of done NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 and till NCN. This is nothing but 2 to the power n. That is the reason. Why means that is the reason. Anyway, I believe you guys know these things. So best just use that logic and solve this question number 4. I hope you can understand my handwriting. My handwriting is not that bad. I hope so. Lost the habit of writing. Two finite sets respectively have x and y number of elements. The total number of subsets of the first is 56 more than the total number of subsets of second, the value of x and y, use option, and don't try to solve it mathematically and all, use options. Four options are there, and I use the formula. I just now told you the formula of 2 to the power n, and I see in which option you will get that. 2 to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 3. Just do that. Is it 56? 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 4. Is it 56? 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 2. Or 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 6. Is it 56? So what exactly they are expecting you to do? What exactly they're expecting you to do means 2 to the power x is equal to, they're telling, is 2 to the power y plus 56. This they have given you the question. Now they're asking you what is x and y. So very simple. If you try option, your x is 6 and your y is 3. And 2 to the power 6 is 64 and 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 64 minus 8 is 54. 56, not 54. Sorry. My maths has become bad. And a finite set is there means total some elements are there. I'm assuming total elements are x and y. They've given you the total number of elements. So the how many subsets can you make? So if your set is having x element, you can make a total number subset which is equal to 2 to the power x. If the another set is having total y elements, so how many subsets can you make? You can make y 2 to the power y subsets. ठीक है ना guys? You understood, right? Karthik, Arun, any doubt? Nandkishore is understood. Others also, please let me know. Easy, na? It was easy question, guys. Okay, guys. You have understood. Yeah. So no, you all have understood. Na? You don't want me to repeat it, na? Yeah. Then I'll go to the next question. Till question number 4, everyone has understood. Yeah. This is a little big question. Let me decrease the font size. Yeah. Handwriting, no problem, na, guys. You all able to understand. The number of items in the set A is 40. Number of items in set B is 32. Number of items in set C is 50. In both A and B, it is 4. In A and C, it is 5. In B and C, it is 7. In all the set, means the means intersection of A, B, C. And A intersection B intersection C is 2. So they're asking you this. This question you can do, na? You can easily do, right? Just draw the diagram and just put element there. No, forget about formulas and all. Okay, you don't need any formula. A union B, A intersection B. You don't need anything much. You can solve everything by yourself. You know? You don't need any formula. Forget about formula and all. Just draw three circle and intersecting each other and just fill the elements. You know? These kind of question in CAT exam, it will come as a logical reasoning, है ना? These things are not considered as a part of mathematics in CAT exam. They ask these kind of question in logical reasoning. It is more a logical reasoning question than a mathematical question. Any problem in understanding the question or any problem in handwriting? Arun, Chandana, Daya, Harshita, Hemant, Karthik, Kavna, Mario, Nandkishore, Praful, Prideshni, Sarath. Any problem in understanding the question? One, Subhash, Zaiba. You all able to draw the diagram, no? Thank you guys. Answer is 108. Actually, one answer is 108. So total A union B union C is 108. And then only in A, only A, B, C are there in only A, B, C means what exactly I want. Like suppose what exactly I want is this. Like suppose this I made it by myself. Means I want only A. Means this only A, only A, only B, only C I want. है ना? You understood the next part. I want only A, B, only either one means only A or only B or only C. Maybe my English is not very good in this part. This question I just added by myself. Okay. I just want you guys to do this part also. 108 is first part is correct. Next part, the answer will be 96. I want you to do that part. And that part you'll able to do if you know how to draw the diagram. And if you do by mathematics, formulas and all, De Morgan's law and all, if you apply, you might get confused. So I want my student not to use any mathematical formula. Just draw the diagram and just fill the data. This is A, this is B, this is C. And A is how much? A is 40 and B is 32 and C is how much? C is 50. Na? C is 50. And then what you do after that, fill the element common between A, B, and C. The element between A, B, and C common is 2. And A and B common is 4. A and B common is 4. So if this is 2, this would be 2. I hope this part you understood. Now B and C common is 7. B and C common is 7. Now this is 2. This would be 5. Now A and C common is 5. If A and C common is 5, this is 2. This would be 3. Okay, now simple maths. If A is total 40, if A is total 40, if A is total 40, so this is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 40 minus 7 is how much? 33. I hope everyone understood this. Now 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 32 minus 9 would be 23. And everyone understood this. Then 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And 50 minus 10 is how much? 40. And so the element which is there only A, B or C is 33 plus 23 plus 40. Solve this, you will get 96. Clear na guys? Don't need any mathematic formula and all. You can do everything by yourself. Again, I'll go ahead. I hope everyone understood this part. Can I go ahead? Arun, Karthik, Ramya, Sarath, Suvash, Daya, Chandana, Everyone understood? No problem. Okay, guys. Fine. Yeah. Thank you. So I'll go ahead then. Next question. Next question is question number 5 then. This is question number 6. I hope you're able to understand my handwriting. So they're asking you A minus B union of C. A minus B matlab you do draw A and then remove the element which is a part of B. And if you don't know what is A minus B, if you don't know what is A minus B, so this is A, this is A, this is B. If I'm asking you what is A minus B, A minus B means A minus B is means what? A minus B is this. This is A minus B. You understood? If I'm asking you B minus A, what is B minus A? What is B minus A? B minus A would be what? What is B minus A? B minus A would be this element. B minus A would be this element. Understandable? You understood what is A minus B? So what is A minus B? What is A minus B? Okay, if you ask me mathematically, what is formula of A minus B? N of A minus B formula, that would be N of A minus N of A intersection B. This is this is A minus B. Okay, or what I can say, what is A minus B? A minus B. A minus B, that is N of A union B, that is A of A union B minus N of B. Can you understand this? This is A minus B. It's very important to understand this. I don't know how many of you are liking this, what I'm doing, because you'll get a lot of questions even in probability based on these logics. So if you are clear with these things now, then many questions on probability will come based on this set theory and all. So it would be good if you understand this part. So question number 6 is very easy, guys. Just do A minus B. Matlab, take only those elements of A which is not there in B. So what is not there in B? Dekho, 1 is there in B also. 2 is not there. Okay. Then 3 is there. Then 4 is there. 5 is there. 6 is not there. 2 is not there. 6 is not there. 7 is there. 8 is there. 9 is not there. So what is A minus B? A minus B is here is A minus B. A minus B is 2, 6 and 9. A minus B is 2, 6 and 9. Tell me if you have doubt. 2 is there in A but not there in B. Then 6 is there in A but not there in B. 9 is there in A but not in B. So the A minus B is 2, 6, 9. Okay, everyone? Can you understood this? A minus B, what I have done? सब बता दो एक बार. Everyone, please tell me once. Everyone, please tell me once. Have you understood this part? Daya has understood. Arun has understood. What about others? Ramya, Karthik. Okay, thank you. Once has understood. What about the Karthik has understood? Aishri, Chandana, everyone, please respond. Subhas, once. Praful, you are not responding. I hope you are understanding. Mario, Hemant, Harshita, yeah, Harshita responded. So fine. So आप लोग समझ गए ना? So A minus B is 2, 6, 9. What is C? 2, 6, 8. है ना? ठीक है. So this is okay. So assume see this is one set. This is another set. Now A minus B suppose is one set, and A minus B include how many elements? A minus B include this element 2, 6, 9. Okay. Now, what there's another set called C. Set C include how many element? C include how many element? C include 2, 6, 8. C include 2, 6, 8. Okay. So I can write 2 and 6 here. This is 9. This is 8. Okay. So what they're asking you? They're asking you. They're asking you the union A minus B union C. Union C. So what all will come? 2, 6, 8, and 9. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Hmm. Very good. Option C is the answer. Hmm. No formula, nothing. You don't need any formula. You can do everything by yourself. You don't need any formula. Forget about formulas and all. Try this question number 7. Everyone try question number 7. Again, the same like what we have done. Yeah, 900 is answer. Very good, Praful. Very good, Karthik. Very good, Kavna. I believe you guys now are pro in doing this. Same kind of thing, yeah. Just to draw diagram, put the data, you'll get the answer. Others also, please give me the answer. Hmm. Daya, same kind of question, guys. Again, same kind of question. I think you can do the questions on set very easily. Very easy. Yeah, very you can do it. There's no problem at all. 100% you'll get a question, and that to that kind of question, na, that 2 to the power n thing. Everyone understand now what is proper subset and all, why the formula of number of proper subset is 2 to the power n minus 1. Please clear that part if you don't know that part. What is proper subset and all, what is superset, all that words meaning, and just be clear about those things. And you should know what is rational number, what is real number, what are rational number. And take some time. If you don't know the meaning of these words, take some time and just Google it or just go through some media and try to get this information. What is real number? What are rational number? What are irrational number? What are integers? What are natural numbers? What are prime number? What are composite numbers? You should know these terms. You know, don't think that like without knowing these terms you can easily crack the exam. See, cracking exam is one thing, but knowing these things are very important because I have taught CAs, I have taught CAs who once they got the result, they prepared for exams like CAT. I hope you know about CAT, and also CA is clearing chartered accountancy. That should be the one objective of your life, but you have to see beyond chartered accountancy. Nowadays, people are preparing simultaneously for CA, CMA, ACCA, CFA, CMT, CFP. So many things are there in life. Yeah. So you're right now preparing for foundation exam. I don't think that your life will end once you clear the CA. So CA, like if you go to global market, then everyone talk about SEMA, everyone talk about CPA, people talk about EA, enrollment agents. If you work in big MNCs, big four, like KPMG, Deloitte, EA, like KPM, PwC. There, my friend is working in EY. Recently, he moved to PwC. So, because in EY he was doing US taxation, so he had to clear exam related to US accountancy called CPA. Then, when he moved to European accountancy, then he had to write either ACCA or SEMA. Even then, he's a chartered accountant. Doesn't mean that like everything will become very rosy and all. So if you are getting Dory and other things, then might be that way that give you initial advantage, but nothing else. In corporate world, nothing much matters. And your additional certifications, how good you are with MS Excel, how good you SAP, FICO, lot of things will come. So I hope that will help you. So many things are there in life. Daya, Harshita, Hemant, Karthik, Kavna, Mario, Nandkishore, Priyadarshini, Ramya, Subhash, Sarath, Vans, Zaiba. Are you guys able to do this question number 7? Or you want me to solve this question? Let me know. If you want, I'll solve this question. Otherwise, we'll go to question number 8. Everyone, Zaiba, I did not see your message. I hope you have understood. Okay. Sir, we can do. अच्छा दया, I'll solve it. No worry. Okay, no worry. So क्या है? What is written here in this question? ठीक है. So just go ahead. Inshallah. Question number 7. There's a Z is a universal set. ठीक है. And then they're telling us A and B. A is how much? A is 300. A is 300. Then you have B. B is 400. B is 400. Then what? A union A intersection B is 200. If this is 200, then this would be 100 and this would be 200. Total A union B कितना हो जाएगा? How much A union B will become? That will become 500. I know it. So 10 I missed. So A union B is 500. So what they're telling now, sorry, now guys, अगर if A union B is 500 ना, this is 500, this is how much, this is 500, and number of elements which are not the part of A union B, they're telling that is 400. So this is 400 and this is 500. This is 500. This is 500 and this is 400. So total is how much? Z is what? What is Z, guys? That what is Z? What is Z? Z is n of A union B plus n of complement of A intersection of complement of B. So that is Z. Z is a universal set. That is 500. 500 plus 400. That is 900. So probability में क्या होगा ना, when you are solving the question of probability, same way when you solve the question of probability, there the total would be 1. है ना? There the total would be 1. Everything you will talk in the term of 1. So क्या हो गया कार्तिक? Why you are laughing? Did I say anything wrong? Collapse. I don't know. But we can do. अच्छा. Karthik, you understood me? Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So question number 8. So let me reduce the font size. None of these medium. Question number 8. This is question number 8. I hope you can see my handwriting. No problem. You can understand this. Sorry, I'm not keeping well. Okay, so you got the, sorry. So the answer for this question is answer 50 is the answer. Yeah, Karthik, you're correct. Yeah, Zeba, you able to do this question? Acha, that question. Yeah, yeah. Everyone, are you able to get the answer for this question? Or you want me to do? You can draw a diagram and you can do the room scheme. Yeah. Acha, one just to solve this. Then I will- Yeah. We have a question number 8. Let's do. Question number 8. In a survey of 300 companies. Yeah, 300 number companies. Okay. So 300 companies are there. I hope I'm audible, na? You guys can hear me. So in a survey of 300 companies, newspaper, radio and television, newspaper, radio and television, newspaper is 200, newspaper is 200, newspaper is 200, radio is 100, and then television is 40, 40, then N intersection, R intersection P is 5. Okay, then N intersection R is 50. So this would be 45. Okay, so R intersection T is 20. So this will be 15. And then N intersection T is 40. 40 matlab this would be 35. Okay, now this part clear everyone? N is 200. तो ठीक है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू वी हैव टू फाइंड द यूनियन तो इसका सम कितना हो जाएगा 45 प्लस 5 इज 50 50 प्लस 35 वुड बी 85 तो दिस वुड बी मतलब 115 है ना इफ आई होप आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग सी द कैलकुलेशन दिस इज 50 ये 65 हो जाएगा तो दिस इज 35 एंड देन दिस इज व्हाट 35 प्लस 5 40 40 प्लस 15 55 55 ये क्या टी 100 है क्या कैलकुलेशन डेटा में कुछ गड़बड़ होगा this is 40, na? N is 40. N is 40, and then this would be then N intersection P. If you do with formula, then no problem. N intersection P, N intersection R, N intersection R, that is given to you. This is N intersection R is 50. Okay, and then N of R intersection P को ये ले लेते हैं R inter some I think there's a writing mistake is there. R intersection T take 40. Okay, and then take N of R intersection T and then take N of N intersection T. N of N intersection T, take that as 25. That is what given. Sorry. So N intersection R is take 50 and R intersection T को take 25. R intersection T को take 25. Let me justify if that's possible. And then N intersection T को what N intersection ये 50 है. Then this take 20 and 25. Take this 25, take this 20. Okay. So if I take this 20, this will be 15. And if I take this as 25, this will be 20. Is this possible now? ये गड़बड़ हो जा रहा है ये ठीक है so this is 45 plus 5 कितना हो जाएगा 50 50 plus 20 70 ये हो जाएगा 30 and then 15 plus 5 is 20 20 plus 20 40 40 ये हो गया 0 ठीक है so what is n of n union r union t तो कितना हो जाएगा that is equal to this is 200 This is 200. This is 200. This total is 200. This total is 200. This total is 200. 200 plus 30 plus 20. 200 plus 50. Total would be 250. And what is the total? Altogether, total is 300. And altogether, universal is 300. So if universal is 300 and N union R union T is 250, so then N of not the part of N, not the part of R, not the part of T. Now, that would be what? 300 minus 250. That would be, if you do with formula, then you will not realize the the error what is given in the question. Clear na guys? Sorry guys, I just went out for boiling milk. Yeah. Now once understood na beta. Yeah. What about others? Ramya, Sarath, Subhash, Priyashni, Praful, Nand Kishore, Mario, Kavna, Harshita, Daya, Aishri. Okay. Okay. So, so then next question. ये तो easy है. Proper subset का formula you know 2 to the power n minus 1. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 elements are there. So the proper subset would be 2 to the power 5 minus 1. The answer would be 31. Clear na? You know the formula of proper subset. 2 to the power n minus 1. So if 5 elements are there, then the proper subset would be 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Answer would be 31. Clear na? Can I go ahead? This is the last question. And this question, from question number 1 to 9, all question has came in CA Foundation exam in past. Question number 10 has not came in your exam. Simply I have taken this question. I found this question is good. So from question number 9, 1 to 9, all these question has came in the past. Okay, previous year questions. Question number 10 is not the previous year question. So if you find again any problem in getting the answer of question number 10, please do not get panic. Question number 10 is not your previous year question. Question number 10 is little bit good level, better than CA foundation level. So if you're not able to solve also, please do not feel bad or don't question your knowledge. Okay, somebody has mentioned to solve the question again. Acha Prideshni, don't mind. Others, please take the photo of this question number 10 and others, please solve this question number 10. By that time, I'll go to question number 8 and again I'll do that question. Okay, everyone, please take the photo of this question. I hope you all can understand my handwriting. Those who have understood question number 10, please take the photo of this question number 10 and start solving this. And so while you are solving this question number 10, I'll go to question number 8 and I'll solve it again for Prideshni. I hope that will be fine with everyone. Okay, fine. So I believe by this time you guys have taken the photo and you will be solving this question. So Prideshni, what is there in question number 8? Is like Prideshni, this one like PV mistake was there in giving the data. So this is suppose N of newspaper. So the data total newspaper given is how many? 200. Total newspaper given is 200. Then total of what R is what? Radio. Radio is 100. Okay. Then and then the television. N of television is given Pradeshni as 40. Okay, Pradeshni. And then total number which is like all means all of that newspaper, radio and television is given as 5. Okay, Pradeshni. Then what is given about N of newspaper intersection television is given as newspaper intersection television is given as sorry, newspaper. So this is radio. Newspaper intersection radio is given as 50. Okay. Then newspaper sorry radio intersection of television Radio intersection of television that is given is wrong. So that should be 25. By mistake, they have given you 20. Ignore that. And N of newspaper intersection of television that is given as 20. Make it that was given as 25. Make it 20. Okay, that was silly mistake they have done while giving this question. Now I just filled all the data. This is for 50 and this is 5. So this will be 45. Okay, this is 25, this is 5, this would be 20, and this is 20, this is 5, this would be 15. Acha, now what I'll do? Now, how much would be this value? This total is 200. So 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 15. 50 plus 15 would be 65. 65 minus 200. 65. Acha, 200 minus 65. This is 15. 50, 65. 60, 200 minus 65, that would be 135. No? That would be 135. Clear na? Okay. Then this is 45 plus 5, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. 100 minus 70 is 30. And then 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. Total is 40. This would be 0. Okay. So what? And then if you find this value, N of newspaper, union of radio, union of television. What you do? Do the sum. 135, 135, 135 plus 45 plus 5 plus 5 plus plus 135, 45 plus 5 plus 15 plus 30 plus 20. The total, these many elements are there. If you do the sum of this, how much you are getting? I don't know. How much you got, guys, when you did the sum of this? So I think you will get 250. I think you'll get 250. I think you'll get 250. Yeah. But the total element, what is given, universal set was 300. Total element was 300. And N of union, R of union T is 250. And the total universal is 300. So how many elements are there, which is neither the part of newspaper, okay, neither radio, neither television. That would be 300 minus 250. 300 minus 250. That would be 50. Clear? Thank you, Arun. Previously, you understood, no? Okay, thank you. So now question number 10. So in question number 10, what they have given. So in question number 10, what they have given that question. This is not a CA exam question. Just for your practice, I have given. So 12% of students failed in physics. So this is physics. Suppose this is failed data, okay? So 12% of students failed in physics. Okay, P dash means failed and P means passed. And so P dash is failed. So 12% is failed. So how many are passed? 88%. I hope you are getting it. And then 10% failed in maths. 10% failed in maths. So 10% are failed in maths. So how many are passed in math? 90. How many are passed in maths? 90. Clear na? So maths, 10% failed in maths. Okay. And then 6% failed in both. 6% failed in both. So 6% failed in both. So this would be 6 and this would be 4. Okay. So how many students are there who are failed in physics or maths? Who are failed in physics or maths? How many students are there? 16% students are there. 16% students are there who are failed in either physics or either maths. Okay, so how many students are there who are failed in either physics or either math? That is 16%. And this is 16. है ना? So how many students are there who are who have passed in physics and passed in maths? Means, so how many students are there who are passed in physics and passed in maths? That would be 84%. In total, 100% students are there. Hmm, I hope you understood. Now, what they have given here in the question, that if the total number can do who passed in physics alone. So in physics alone, they have given is 100. Okay, in physics alone, they have given is 100. So how many candidates students have written the exam? So 16% student, they are either pass, either fail in physics or either fail in maths. Okay, they are either fail in physics or they are either failed in maths. Okay, and if you see this, okay, the total number student, okay, who passed in physics is 88, and the total number student who passed in physics is 88, and the total number student who passed in maths, total number student who passed in maths is 90, and the total number student who passed in maths is 90. Okay, and the total number student who passed in both physics and maths, and I got as 84, and I got as 84. The total number of students who passed in both physics and maths is 84. I just know I got as 84. So this would be 4. This is 4. And this would be 6. Okay. You understood, right? Yeah. This part you understood, right? Total number of students who passed in total number of students who passed in both physics and math. I got that as 84. And that part I got as 84. So now, based on this, I can say that the total number of students who passed only in physics, how many students passed only in physics? Only in physics, how many students passed only in physics? That is for 4%. So 4% of the students are those students who passed only in physics. So 4% of X, suppose total students are X, so 4% of X is 100. Okay, so find X. What is X? X is 100 divided by 4%. Answer would be 250. Clear? If you're not able to understand this question also, then also fine. Please do not put too much pressure on yourself. And if you understood, then also fine. So this is a little bit tricky question. I'll show you the question again. Just read this question. You'll understand. So this question will test your knowledge. Means whatever, how much you have understood the concept of set theory, that question number 10 will test. This is the solution of this. Aishri, Arun, Chandana, Daya, Harshita, Hemant, Karthik, Kavna, Mario, Nand Kishore, Praful, Prideshni, Ramya, Subhash, Vans, Zaiba, please let me know. Have you understood my solution or not? If you have understood, then this much from this class. I hope you have liked this class and you have understood how to solve the questions on set theory. Set theory is actually very easy question. It's actually part of logical reasoning. Okay, so I hope you guys have liked my class and thank you guys for your precious time. And exam is very near and you have given your time to me. I hope I have done justice with your time and we have discussed the important questions which have came in previous years of your CA foundation regarding to the chapter set theory. So it was first interaction between us and I hope you guys have liked our interaction. So thank you everyone. God bless you all. So this much from my end. Thank you, everyone. So can I wind up the class? If everyone has understood everything, please go and have your dinner and take care of yourself. God bless you.